Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Paris. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So this is our last vlog of 2018, and guys, I am super excited for what 2019 have for my channel and the content and everything that I'm going to put into my channel. But I'm going to share more details of that later in this vlog. But for today, Farrell and I and my mom, we're going to go to a baby time story time today. So I cannot wait. This is our first time going to one of these type of events. So I'm excited for Farrell, and this is like his first time being around other babies, and this is my first time being around other moms like in a setting like this. So I'm excited to see how it's going to play out. So I am going to vlog a little bit while we are there, and that is about it. So I don't know what we might do afterwards. Probably check out a few stores and probably grab some lunch. But yeah, that's probably what we're going to do today in today's vlog. But happy New Year's Eve, everyone, and let's get on into this vlog. And this is my outfit for today. I'm gonna start including this like in my vlog, you guys. But I got this scarf from Charm & Charlie. This is like one of my favorite scarves. This is so cute. And I got this sweater from American Eagle. You guys will probably see this sweater a lot during the winter time because this is like my absolutely favorite sweater, and I love the color of it. But I plan on picking up more sweaters like this that I got from American Eagle. And then the leggings are from Forever 21. Boot socks are from Journeys, and my Spirit boots I got for Christmas is also from Journeys. So yeah, so this is my look for the day. I wasn't really too sure about the color of the boot socks, like wearing with the outfit today, but I said like whatever because obviously like it matches the cream and my scarf. But yeah, so this is my outfit of the day. All right guys, so I'm just letting the car warm up and just waiting for my mom and Farrell to come on out the house. So we're on our way again, like I told you guys, to a baby story time, and it starts at 11, so it's 10:03, so we'll probably get there like at 10:30. It's not that far from our home. And then after that, go to a few stores, probably check out Target and possibly Carter's, and then go ahead and head on and get some lunch and then also dinner for today. So that is currently what we're about to do today. Not going to the baby story time at the library because the library that's closest to our home, theirs is on Tuesdays and not Mondays. So instead we just went to Barnes & Noble and got Farrell a book, The 5 Little Dinosaurs, as you guys saw in the previous clip. So now we just wait for my mom to come out from our favorite cupcake place, and then we're gonna get some lunch and then just grab something to cook for dinner tonight. But we are gonna start going to Barnes & Noble baby story time events. I asked the sales associate when do they do their baby story time events, and she said on Saturdays at either 9 or 11, I believe. So I'm gonna have to call it back once I get home to like verify if it's at 9 or 11 on Saturdays, because I really would love for Farrell to start going to those. and plus it's more better for us on the weekends because we are like very busy during the week. So it's more like beneficial for us like during the weekends to go to like those type of events. So Hero is in the back seat. You want to see? You say hi. Look at his fine little dinosaur book. Look at you. You're excited for Mommy to read it for you when we get home? Yay! I know what we're going to read for story time tonight. Hey guys, so we just got back home. So like I said, we went to Barnes & Noble today instead, and got Pharaoh a new book that we're going to read for story time later on this evening. But yeah, I'm about to go have some lunch now, and yeah, that's about it. You know, nothing really to do during this like awesome chilled New Year's Eve. I did tell you guys that for my channel for 2019 is that I'm gonna have all new content and everything like that, and I was going to share the details with you guys later on in the vlog. So basically for 2019, I do hopefully would like for my channel to grow. I hope to gain new subscribers, everyone to like my channel, and you know, everything like that. So definitely grow within my channel, also brand in my channel, and also my blog. I will leave my blog say in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Also including more beauty tutorials, makeup videos, get ready with me, mommy get ready with me, and you know, more vlogs for you guys. And yeah, that's practically it. But just overall hoping that my channel grow and get to the success that I'm hoping to achieve within my vlog and my tutorials and videos, and just overall my channel. So yeah, so that's basically about it. So 2019, I know I can feel it. I'm gonna claim it, declare it, that it's going to be a great year for Pharaoh and I, and also for my success and achievements and everything like that, from personal wise to YouTube wise and everything like that. So cannot wait for 2019. So yeah, so again, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this vlog. Thank you for, you know, encouraging me and my channel, you know, kind of getting a little bit more recognition and subscribers and just like that. And happy New Year's to everyone. Also, before I go, I also wanted to include a schedule for you guys. So I do hope to have an upload schedule on Thursdays and Sundays. We're gonna see how it goes, but Thursdays and Sundays are going to be like my upload days for you guys. So definitely you know, be in tune for that. I will also include that part in the description box of my upload days and everything like that. So again, thank you guys so much. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and yeah, thank you guys so much for the support, and I hope everyone has a happy, safe, and blessed New Year, and we will see you guys back in our next video. Bye guys.